Hello guys, this is Auto Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own account on Wix. Wix is basically a platform on which you can create your own website for free. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So I'm going to just click on get started right here. And as you can see, it's asking me to sign up, which is what we are going to do. Now you can either enter email and password, or you can enter your Google account, which I am going to do. So we want your Wix experience to be perfect for your needs. Answer a few questions. Basically, it's giving me a quiz. Why do I need this for myself? Business and dive. Now I'm waiting for the option. Never done this before. Now I can either use a template or let Wix ADI create a website for you. I'm going to click on this. A non-profit organization, a non-profit event. Skip, 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 next. And as you can see right here, it's giving me a bunch of options, basically types and looks. Now basically depending on what you chose and what you need it for and your things, it will alter, I guess, the way it looks and the way it is. As you can see right here, it's giving me some designs. I'm going to add one of them. It doesn't really matter which one, it's all up to you. And here it's taking me to editing the website. Now I can play around with it and just publish it when I'm done. So let's just click publish. I'm going to use a freewix.com domain. And basically this is pretty much how you create an account. It's extremely simple. Obviously in your case you are going to want to basically play around with the settings, make your own website based on what you need and what you want and how you like it. Now I just made it basic without altering any of the things on it, and I've just created the most basics website for, and as stock as I could in order to not waste time, but you're going to make it as you want and as you like. And that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.